Almonds begin their journey rooted in carefully managed orchards.
The soil is prepared to support healthy root systems.
Precise irrigation delivers water exactly where it's needed. Blossoms signal the beginning of almond formation.
Pollination is critical for almond development.
Each fertilized blossom becomes a developing nut. Months of growth strengthen the almond inside its shell.
Regular inspections ensure consistent crop health.
As harvest nears, hulls dry and open. Harvest begins with powerful tree shakers. Vibrations release mature almonds efficiently. Harvested almonds dry naturally on the ground. Natural drying prepares almonds for pickup. Specialized machines gather almonds efficiently. Harvested almonds leave the orchard for processing. Once harvested, almonds begin their journey beyond the orchard. Transport must be fast, controlled, and efficient. Timing is critical once almonds leave the field. Even in motion, almonds remain stable.
Harvest routes connect farms to processing hubs.
Skilled operators ensure safe delivery.
Harvest season moves at scale.
Processing facilities anchor the supply chain. Each delivery feeds a continuous system.
Controlled access protects operations. Almonds officially enter processing grounds.
Every movement follows a planned flow.
Arrival timing meets production demand. Processing begins inside large-scale dedicated facilities.
Each delivery enters a carefully timed sequence. Almonds are guided into the system. Gravity assists the first transfer. Conveyors establish the production rhythm.
Safety and hygiene are mandatory.
Scale defines modern food processing. Vertical routing maximizes efficiency. Flow is precisely controlled.
Human oversight guides automation.
Balanced flow prevents system stress. Initial processing is about cleanliness. The next phase begins inside the system. Cleaning begins by separating surface debris.
Size-based screening improves purity. Clean flow feed sorting systems.
Remaining dust is blown away. Visual systems prepare to analyze quality. Cameras inspect every individual nut. Defects are instantly removed. Only suitable almonds move forward. Sorting increases precision. Human eyes confirm machine decisions.
Metal safety systems protect consumers.
Surface cleaning improves appearance.
Cleanliness is now visible.
Moisture control protects shelf life. Almonds are now ready for transformation. Core processing begins by separating the shell. Pressure is carefully controlled to protect kernels. Shell waste is immediately removed.
Kernels continue without interruption.
Alignment prepares almonds for inspection. Buffering balances system load.
Almonds move toward final transformation.
Transformation begins with controlled conditioning. Temperature prepares almonds for further processing.
Moisture levels are carefully equalized.
Some almonds are prepared for skin removal. Heat loosens almond skins safely. Mechanical action completes separation. Waste exits the mainstream. Clean kernels continue onward. Moisture is reduced for stability. Drying preserves texture and quality.
Moisture targets are verified.
Cooling stabilizes the kernels. Cooling stabilizes the kernels. Almonds reach processing equilibrium. Neutral handling preserves natural flavor. Flow resumes toward automation.
Preparation is complete.
Almonds now enter advanced automation.
Advanced vision analyzes every kernel. Thousands of checks occur every second.
Data guides instant decisions.
Accuracy eliminates inconsistency.
Efficiency calls from integration.
Weight data ensures uniform batches. Systems adapt in real time. Robotics refine consistency. Recovery is fast and controlled. Output increases without compromise. Automation confirms readiness. Almonds advance toward precision finishing. Precision defines the final preparation stage. Surface polishing improves uniform appearance.
Visual quality now matches internal standards.
Exact sizing ensures product consistency.
Grading separates almonds by specification.
Only the highest grade continues. Final inspection confirms perfection. Human precision completes the process. Alignment supports accurate packaging. Environmental control protects quality.
Weight compliance is verified.
Traceability is recorded.
Finished product is gathered.
Quality control comes next.
Samples move for verification. Quality control ensures trust. Only representative samples are tested. Samples are handled under strict protocols. Visual inspection detects surface flaws. Moisture levels are precisely measured.
Data confirms stability.
Size consistency meets specifications. Accurate weight ensures uniform packaging. Internal defects are identified. Safety testing protects consumers.
Approved batches move forward.
Records ensure full traceability.
Verified product rejoin production. Clearance is granted. Packaging protects almonds for global delivery. Exact weights are measured automatically. Precision ensures consistent portions. Packaging takes shape in seconds. Freshness and traceability are sealed in.
Safety checks continue after packaging.
Individual packs become bulk units.
Distribution labels guide logistics.
Loads are secured for transport. Storage buffers supply and demand.
Dispatch preparation begins.
Finished almonds prepare to ship.
And this is how modern factories produce almonds, from start to finish.
Scale and precision define modern production. Please like, share, and subscribe.